Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best goat grip shoes on the market, the WHITIN Minimalist Barefoot Sock Shoes for women and men. These shoes combine lightweight design, eco-friendly materials, and impressive versatility, making them a standout option. Whether you're into hiking, running, yoga, or just casual wear. Right off the bat, the design of these shoes is unique. They are essentially sock shoes, crafted with breathable mesh uppers that provide ultra freedom and comfort for your feet. The pull-on style means they're easy to slip on and off, and the absence of adhesives and seams not only contributes to their eco-friendliness, but also allows them to be machine washable, which is a huge plus for easy maintenance. The outsole is made from durable rubber designed to protect your feet and last through tough outdoor conditions. It's slip-resistant and cut-resistant, giving you excellent grip on a variety of surfaces, including wet and slippery ones. This makes these shoes ideal for water sports or any adventure where footing is critical. One of the standout features of these WHITIN shoes is their minimalist barefoot design. They promote natural foot movement and posture, which is great for activating foot muscles and tendons during activities like running, walking, or training. They support a zero-drop platform, encouraging a more natural gait that can help improve balance and reduce impact stress. Whether you're doing yoga, rock climbing, or even roller skating, these shoes are versatile enough to handle it all. Their lightweight and ultra-portable nature means you can easily pack them for travel or keep them as a backup pair for your workouts. Sizing is important here, and WHITIN has updated their size chart recently to help you choose the right fit based on your foot length. It's a good idea to check that before ordering to ensure the snug fit these shoes are known for. Overall, the WHITIN Minimalist Barefoot Sock Shoes bring together comfort, durability, and eco-conscious design in a multi-purpose shoe that's as functional as it is stylish. If you're looking for a barefoot shoe alternative that works on land, in water, and everywhere in between, this pair is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product reviews and insights. See you in the next video.